Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the Motorola Moto Watch 120, a smartwatch that feels stylish, simple, and surprisingly premium for its price. Right away, the bright AMOLED display stands out, making notifications, fitness stats, and the time super easy to read even outdoors. The watch sits comfortably on the wrist, and the controls feel smooth and responsive. One of its biggest strengths is how seamlessly it connects with your phone. With fast pairing, you get clear notifications, calls, and music controls without annoying lag. The companion app keeps everything organized, letting you customize watch faces and track your daily activity without complicated menus. Fitness tracking is another highlight, with accurate step counting, heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and multiple workout modes for walking, running, cycling, and more. Battery life is also impressive, lasting multiple days on a single charge, making it dependable for everyday wear. Overall, the Moto Watch 120 delivers a balanced mix of style, health features, and convenience, making it a strong choice for anyone who wants a smartwatch that simply works.